Bharatbharati.com.
Next is construction of tangents. First of all, we are constructing a tangent from a point which is outside the circle. One question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. First, we have to construct a circle of the given radius. The radius of the circle is given to be 6 centimeter. Drawing a circle of radius 6 centimeter. A circle of radius 6 centimeter is drawn. Then, from the center, 10 centimeter away from the center, mark another point. Let the center be C and 10 centimeter away from the center. We are taking a point P. The length CP is equal to 10 centimeter. We have to draw two tangents from the point P to the circle. For that, join CP and then draw the perpendicular bisector of CP. Draw the perpendicular bisector of CP. For that, with the point P, take more than half of the length PC or CP. Draw two arcs above and below the line segment CP. Without changing this length, with the center C, draw another arcs to intersect the first arc. Now join these 2 points. Joining the points of intersection of the 2 arcs, we will get the line segment which is perpendicular to CP. This is the perpendicular bisector. Mark this point as M, which is the midpoint of CP. Now with M as center and PM as radius, we can draw another circle which will pass through the points P and C. We are getting another circle which is passing through the points P and C. Mark the points of intersection of the 2 circles as A and B. This is the point of intersection A and this is the point of intersection B. Now join PA and PB. We will get the 2 tangents joining PA and PB. Now PA and PB are the two tangents from the outside point P to the circle with the center C. Now we have to measure the length of the tangents. PA is equal to PB is equal to length of the tangents 8.2 centimeter. PA is equal to PB is equal to 8.2 centimeter is the length of the two tangents PA and PB.